The screwdriver, which was invented around 1580, has existed for over 400 years. While its design has undergone various optimizations over time, its core form has remained largely unchanged, making it a truly timeless design. The inspiration behind the Everlast stems from this rich history, with the aim of adding warmth to what is traditional occult mechanical tool. By integrating the concept of preserved flowers with a tool set, this product becomes more than just a practical item. It transforms into a decorative piece that enhances home aesthetics. Additionally, the design challenges the traditionally masculine appearance of tools, creating a more gender-neutral aesthetic to appeal to a broader audience. The Everlast includes 30 different screwdriver bits, perfectly equipped to meet everyday needs.